Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to share my Christmas cards I got. The first one came from Tammy, Tammy's Passions. Look at that. Tractor, wagon, and a barn. I am definitely altering this and putting this in frame to hang in my kitchen for next year. And it's from her and Mike. Isn't that cute? I just love that. Look at it, it's all glittery. Thanks, Tammy. And next one is Joy, the little red truck and the little Dalmatian. And this one is from Sabrina, Zach, and Jamie. It says, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from my family to yours. I thought it was so cute. And then this one looks like this. And I like, this is from Bima. It's so cute. Ready? When you open it, ta-da! Ain't that cute? So cute. And then, okay, this is from Crafter's Treats, and she had a 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Look at that pretty card. And I won some ribbon. Look at that. I love how she did it. So you got 3 little ribbon, Merry Christmas, Christmas tree, and stripes, but look at this little tag she put in that. Isn't that cute? So that is Crafter's Treat on YouTube. I won her 12 Days of Christmas. She said she's going to be doing it next year too. And we got Oh Holy Night. I'm going to have that in my hand. This is from Arlene. It's a pretty card. And then this one is from... Oh. I haven't even opened it, so I got the package open to save time. But the rest of it, oh, wow. All right. I want to say this was OJ. That's Jay. Oh, look at it. It's Van Gogh. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Hello, Tina. Hope you have a blessed holiday. I printed some tags I thought you could use. If not, feel free to pass them on. Miss J. Look at that. Love Van Gogh. So let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Everybody knows that watches me about Van Gogh. Oh, look at. Oh, I ain't passing these on. Look at that. Oh my God. Love it. Oh, I'm going to put these in my Van Gogh stuff. I'm going to hoard them. Awesome. I'm going to use one as a bookmarker. I'm like going back and forth between 2 books reading a Van Gogh right now. Yeah. Crazy. Favorite one. Cool. Had extra paper for making cards, so I made a little envelope with notes. Oh, look at the little tiny Van Gogh envelope. Cute. It's like, now that's cool that she's able to print. I don't know if she stamped that or printed that, but that's kind of cool. My favorite. I said to Diamond, when Diamond was getting her nails done, I thought about getting my nails done. I said, if I get my nails done, I want to get my nails done in blue and have this on each one of my little nails. That little star or moon, whatever you want to call that, on my nail. Thank you so much, Miss J. I love these. Nope, these are mine. I am not passing them on. I am hoarding now. Mine, mine, mine. So I want to wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. I sent Christmas cards. Well, I didn't do cards. I did Christmas tags this year. I like this little envelope. I'll keep that. I'm going to alter that, baby. That's it. So I want to thank you for the Christmas cards, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and be safe. I'm in Wisconsin, and we are getting hit with a big snowstorm for the next 2 days. So I'm hunkered down. Got plenty of food. Scott got the lanterns in because last time we lost some power. And got the generator and gas and all that. Yeah, we're supposed to get hit hard, but he got the lanterns in the house, so if I lose power, my lights have already blinked 3 times, and it hasn't even started. So what's that say? It is cold today. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Bye, everybody, and thank you all for the cards.